Another deadly gun attack in Santa Cruz, residents on edge. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, as well as online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, residents in Clarendon exact their own justice on two alleged goat thieves. Police warn against the practice, and the Justice Minister says he will make a case to Cabinet about judge-only trials. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.